Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have drawn some graph of trigonometric functions, identities like tan x, sin x and cosec x. And students, today we will solve problems like this one. This is sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and x lies on the third quadrant. Question is that like this one, this is y axis and y dash and x axis x dash. Then sin x lie on the third quadrant, that is third quadrant. That could be the x, this one, and sin x is minus 1 by minus 1 upon 2. Then find the value of other 5 trigonometric functions. Then we have to find out the cos x, tan x, cot x, secant x and then cosec x. Let's check this one. There are two methods to solve such type of problems. We will solve this simultaneously on this one. This is solution is method number 1, by using the identities. That means whatever rules we have learned in class 10th and in previous sessions we will use it. Like we have this is sin x is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and we need this cos x. We cannot write this one. This is a lot of students do write it like this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. One is not a perpendicular and two is not a hypotenuse. This is a ratio and it could be any other value also. So please avoid such type of mistakes. See this one, we write this is, we know that this is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Sin square x plus cos square is equal to 1. Then cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x, and this is cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. This is minus 1 upon 2 whole square. This is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 4, that is equal to 3 upon 4. Oh, this whistle is blowing. That means my wife is cooking food, I hope. Oh, that's okay. And cos x is equal to plus minus under root 3 upon 2. This is cos x is plus minus under root 3 upon 2. That means let's check it that the cos x is negative or positive in third quadrant. And in third quadrant the cos x is negative. Then we write this cos x is equal to minus root 3 upon 2. Now we have sin x and we have cos x. Now this is tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x. This is sin x is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and cos x is equal to minus root 3 upon 2. Then cancel out 2 and 2 to cancel out. This is equal to 1 upon root 3. And now then cot x is equal to, this is cos x upon sin x, that is equal to cos x is equal to minus root 3 upon 2 and sin x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. That is cancel out, minus minus cancel out, that is equivalent to under root 3. Now this is secant x. The secant x is 1 upon cos x. 1 on cos x is 1 upon minus root 3 upon 2. Let's write this one under root 3 upon 2. Then 2 is on numerators. This is minus root 2 upon root 3. The last one is the cosec x is equal to 1 upon sin x is equal to 1 upon minus 1 upon 2. This is equal to minus 2. But then look this one, we get the cos x, then tan x is 1 upon root 3, then cot x is root 3 and secant x is minus 2 upon root 3 and cosec x is minus 2. And then cot x and tan x are positive in third quadrant and the rest of this one are negative. Okay, see the method number 2. Method number 2, just draw a triangle. This is right angle triangle, or like this is A, B and C, and B is the right angle triangle. This is right angle 90 degree, and this is eliminate this negative signs, that this length of this sides of these triangles must be positive. So that is 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2. Now we need this BC, and BC is equal to AC square minus BC square. This is equal to AC square, this is 4, and minus BC square is 1 square 1. Now this is BC square is equal to, AC square minus AB square, not this one. This is AB square, I'm sorry, this is BA square or AB squares. We write it as AB square. That is correct one. That is it is 3 unit is square, and BC is equal to root 3, that is plus minus, that BC is plus minus root 3. If you write this is unit square, that is not a problem. This is unit square and this is unit. Okay, see, now we have BC. BC is, we have plus minus root 3, we write this only root 3. Then we have cos x is equal to, this is base upon hypotenuse, this is b upon h, this is b is root 3 and upon 2. But we know that cos x is negative on third quadrant. Negative, that means we write this is minus root 3 upon 2. Then cos x we have minus root 3 upon 2. Now this is 10x. The 10x is equal to, this is perpendicular upon base, and perpendicular we have 1 and root 3. 1 upon root 3. Both are positive. The 10x is positive. That means PB positive, and we write this one. And now cot x is equal to B upon P. We have B is root 3 upon P is 1. This is root 3. Again, cot x is positive in third quadrant, that is plus 3. And now this is secant x, hypotenuse upon base, and hypotenuse we know that this is 2, and base is, we know that base we have, this is root 3. So then write this is root 3. Again sec x is negative, then we write is 2 upon root 3 minus, and then cosec x is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse is, again, that is 2 upon perpendicular is 1 plus 1. Okay, this is 2. Then cosec x is negative in third quadrant, then we write this negative. So that is the solutions of this problem by the two methods. Whatever method is suitable for you, you can use this one. Thank you, students. Thank you.